My savages, my savages, my savages, my savage. We back with another video, and I got another banker for y'all. And as you can see, yes, as you can see, another urban air mobility play. Yes, another stock that's another spec stock that is bringing a company for the urban air mobility. If you don't know, that's basically a Uber Air. Yeah, I said Uber Air. I'm gonna get into a little bit into that in a minute. You know what I'm saying? But basically, this, if you didn't watch my last video about Archer, bro, go watch that video. I'm telling y'all, bro. This is the next wave, bro. After the EV cars start coming out and being productive, this, I believe, will be the next thing to explode. It's probably already really about to explode along with the EV, to be for real, because all of them, yes, you guessed it, all of them are electric vehicles only. You know what I'm saying? This company is better powered. Y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail. Joby Aviation, bro. All electric air mobility. They are changing the way people commute to place from A to B. You know what I'm saying? Instead of being stuck in traffic, this company and Archer are planning on making where you could fly from point A to point B without getting through traffic. Just look at the diagram right here. Los Angeles, LAX airport to Newport Beach in California, bro. It takes, let it quick count. It takes an hour and 16 minutes to drive from LAX airport to Newport Beach. It will only take you 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes to travel the same, well, not really the same distance, but a little bit shorter distance through the air using this company and other urban air mobility vehicles. It will only take you 15 minutes to get to a place that normally would take you an hour and 16 driving. So you can go ahead and drive in your EV car or your autonomous driving car and get there in an hour and 16 minutes, or you can get in the Uber Air and get there in 15 minutes. Save valuable time. Quiet as a conversation. I'm telling y'all, but they're all electric stuff, but they quiet. You know what I'm saying? A decade of engineering. Go do your own due diligence. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you all what plays I'm on. It's all for entertainment. You know what I'm saying? So, what you saying about this stock? What stock is it, man? What stock is it, man? I'm going to go ahead and show you right here. Reinvent Technology Partners. This is the spec that Joby Aviation is going to go public through. It's at $11.62. Depends on when you're watching the video. That's the after hour price. It ran up 33 cents already, but I'm telling y'all, wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback. They don't go dive, hit straight in. Wait for the pullback on this play. Let me tell you when it is. Just for y'all that can't read charts and stuff, don't know how to highlight stuff. That's around what, 10:50. It pulled back earlier today. Whenever you watching the video, you know what I'm saying, you want to go ahead and get in this play. I ain't saying jump straight into it. Wait for the pullback, but it is still low because these plays will take off, bruh. It will take off with a market cap of 973 million already. They pushing $1 billion. They pushing $1 billion already, bro. And I'm telling y'all, but that urban air mobility gonna be the next thing that pop after the EVs settle down a little bit. I'm just telling y'all, that's what it is, bro. And Archer Aviation, go watch that video. I explained everything about Archer. They doing the same thing, but I think Archer plane a little bit jet helicopter, mini helicopter, whatever you want to call it. I think there's a little bit more visually intriguing. You know what I'm saying? But both of them doing the same type thing. Now, why you say Uber Air? Because Joby Aviation acquired Uber's air taxi business Elevate. Yes, Uber Air taxi business Elevate. In a bid to focus on profitability, Uber has been exiting loss-making businesses. Along with Elevate, Uber had the autonomous. They sold their autonomous driving too. But basically, this company bought a company from Uber called Elevate. But basically, they trying to be the Uber Air. They trying to be the Uber in the air. You know, you pay to get a ride to work, home, wherever you're going. You know what I'm saying? So you want to be stuck in the traffic. Now, They, like I said, Joby and Aviation is merging with RTP. That's the ticker symbol. If you want to go ahead and get into the RTP, y'all seen it on the last little clip. Key to the merger. The merger between Joby Aviation and RTP values that combined entity at post money equity with value 6.6 billion. The value is based on the IPO and PIPE private investment in public equity at $10 a share. As part of the merger with RTP, Joby Aviation would get gross cash proceeds of 1.6 billion, which includes PIPE investment of 835 million. Also, there are restrictions on sponsor shares. Some of these don't vest until Joby Aviation market capitalization reaches 30 billion. But like I said, y'all seen the market cap where that's the SPAC market cap right now, pushing 1 billion. But when they merge, it's projected to be 6.6 billion. But with everything with Lucid and some of these other companies that done went public through SPAC, we already know the valuation might be something totally different from what they already got. And the price of the stock could either tank on that news, or they whatever they when they come out with it, or it could skyrocket off that news. So what better time to get in when it's still stagnant? You know what I'm saying? It consolidating, it trading sideways, to be more simple. If you don't know what consolidation means, that's all it is, trading sideways. But it already done dropped just because of the correction, what's going on. Cause basically everything ain't took off green yet, but we probably still in the correction. You know what I'm saying? Cause Stock Mo and Uncle Larry, they were saying that we could still see a pullback, 2 to 3%, up to 5% still on this correction with everything red. You know what I'm saying? But this is the best time to be an investor and to get into it. And if your first time investing, first time watching stock videos or whatever, it's a link in the description below. Got Webull and Robinhood. Click on one of them. Sign up, deposit $100. You get free stocks. I get free stock. One free stock, and we all eating it. Because I'm telling y'all, bro, the outlook of UAM, that's urban air mobility, looks positive based on increasing congestion in cities. These are various estimates of a TAM, total addressable market. UAM, in this presentation, Ualreadykno Aviation said it expects TAM of 1.5 trillion for UAM and stretches to 3 trillion in the optimistic scenario. But this sector, this urban air mobility, could be 1.5 trillion to 3 trillion. 1.5 trillion to 3 trillion. And these are really the only company that I done seen that have their own aircraft. They're on all electric aircraft that do this type of traveling, commute, whatever you want to call it. These Archer and Joby Aviations is a couple of like two more I seen that might be in the same, but I didn't see an all electric vehicle like Joby and Archer. But they could be working out. You got to do a deep dive. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. You can go do your own deep dive and then get into it and see if you really like this stock. Because if the stock dips and you don't believe in the company, you would not buy the dip, and you would sell low and come back crying to me. And I'm not having that, like King and Grace say. And I'm just telling y'all, bro, I'm not having that. But like I told y'all, I was coming back with another SPAC urban air mobility play, better known as Uber Air. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to go ahead and get on this play, like I said, like, subscribe, and share first. Hit that noted bell, and then go down in the description below. Hit that Webull link or that Robinhood link. Sign up, deposit $100, and we all eating. And y'all already know what it is. My savage. Stop playing with me.